Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Delta State government recently approved a supplementary budget of 167 billion naira, as well as 10 billion naira for social investment and palliatives to help its citizens cope with the current economic hardship in the country. Our correspondent reports that the state government intends to use the supplementary budget to raise funds for capital projects and recurrent expenditures to better the lives of ordinary citizens who have been at the receiving end of a distressed economy.
During his statewide campaign, Governor Sheriff Oborevwori had promised to bring about meaningful development in Delta State if elected as governor. In fulfillment of that promise, the Delta State Executive Council, during its inaugural meeting recently at Government House Asaba, approved a 167 billion naira supplementary budget for the 2023 fiscal year. According to the state government, 65% of the budget will be dedicated to capital projects to promote rapid development, while the remaining 35% is earmarked for recurrent expenditures. The Delta State Executive Council had also granted approval for a 40 billion naira credit facility to assist 25 local government councils defray substantial part of outstanding retirement benefits due pensioners. Addressing reporters shortly after the Executive Council meeting, some members of Governor Oborevwori's cabinet hinted that the state government had also earmarked the sum of 10 billion naira for social investment and palliatives to help cushion the impact of economic hardship on Deltans.
EXCO is requesting the House of Assembly to approve the sum of 10 billion naira as social investment / palliative funds that will go directly to our people in their respective communities and their respective homes. The people of Delta State can be rest assured this is a people-centered government, and they should expect a lot more from this administration.
In the meantime, Governor Oborevwori has promised to complete a good number of projects to be commissioned in commemoration of his first 100 days in office. Governor Oborevwori made the disclosure recently when he visited project sites across the state to ascertain the quality and level of completion. The governor's first port of call was the Dennis Osadegbe University, where he inspected a number of projects, including Faculty of Agriculture and Administrative buildings, Faculty of Environment, lecture theatres, and the Vice Chancellor's Lodge. Other projects inspected were the State High Court Complex, 16-kilometer Madonna internal roads and drainages, and the Okpanam Ibuzo Road in Oshimili South and Oshimili North local government areas of the state. The governor, who expressed satisfaction with the quality of projects, said their speedy execution was in fulfillment of his social contract with Deltans.
The governor has done very well because we want good job, good work. Because I won't commission any job that are not up to specification. We're very sure that we're going to commission some of them very soon, all within the same 100 days in office. Like I promised Deltans, I'm going to do more, and I'm very sure that Deltans will get more.
In furtherance of Governor Oborevwori's more agenda, the Delta State Executive Council had approved the construction of roads across 3 senatorial districts of the state. They include construction of Upper and Lower Erejua roads in Warri, rehabilitation of Esisi Road from Warri Sapele Road to Estate Roundabout with a spur to Nana College to link Ajami Moga in Warri, Phase 1 of Unsukwa Umute Adonte Road in Anyocha South Local Government Area, rehabilitation of Bedesegba Road and Bridge in Bomadi Local Government Area, and rehabilitation of field sections of PTI Road Efurun in Uwie Local Government Area. Others are rehabilitation of Oviri Court Adagbrasa in Okpe Local Government Area and construction of roads along Otowodo Junction in Ugeli North Local Government Area.
Inside the Niger Delta,